Hey friends, it's Miss Hall. Welcome back to another day of sounds and words. Hello everybody. Oh, hi Rosa. Thanks for hopping in. I am so happy to be here with you all. I'm so happy you're here too. Thanks for joining in, everyone. Let's begin by reading our learning target. I can identify specific sounds in words. We're going to begin with rhyming words. I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to repeat the 2 words that rhyme. You ready to give it a try? Lad, had, bed. Which 2 words rhyme? Lad and had. That's right, lad and had. Say men, pen, pan. Which 2 words rhyme? Men and pen. That's right, men and pen rhyme. Say hum, thumb, gut. Which 2 words rhyme? Hum and thumb. Good job. Let's try one more set of words. Say job, knob, rub. Which 2 words rhyme? Job and knob. That's right. Job and knob are the rhyming words. Great job identifying rhyming words, everybody. For our next activity, we are going to identify the first sound we hear in words. I'm going to say 3 words that all start with the same first sound. You will tell me what the first sound is. Ready to give it a try? Big, baby, bump. What's the first sound? B. Yes, B. Say dig, do, dare. What's the first sound in those words? D. Yes, D. Say fuss, fog, face. What's the first sound? Yes. Let's try one more set of words. Say go, good, get. What's the first sound? G. Yes, G. Great job identifying the first sound in words, everybody. For our next activity, we are going to chop the syllables in words. I'm going to chop them. You're going to repeat that, and you're going to repeat the chopping and say the sounds. And then when I go like this, we'll say what the word is. Are you ready? Say hamper. Hamper. Say harden. Harden. Say sister. Sister. Say monkey. Monkey. Let's do one more. Say recess. Recess. Good job saying the syllables in a word, putting them together to say the word. For our next activity, we're going to work on identifying the final or last sound we hear in words. Can I help with this? Of course you can, Rosa. Say scene 1. What's the last sound in the words? Yes. Say cub, cube. What's the final sound? B. Yes, B. Say hard, hide. What's the final sound? D. Yes, D. Say home, him. What's the last sound? Good job. Let's try one more. Say wig, tug. What's the last sound? G. Yes, G. Great job identifying the final sound in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out again. This time I'm going to say a word. You're going to chop the 2 syllables you hear in the word. You ready to give it a try? Say compare. Now chop the syllables in compare. Compare. Great job. Say costume. Now chop the syllables in costume. Costume. Great job. Say bracelet. Now chop the syllables in bracelet. Bracelet. Great job. Let's do one more. Say umpire. Now chop the syllables in umpire. Umpire. Great job breaking a word down into its syllables. For our next activity, we are going to say a two-syllable word. We are going to change the first syllable, and when I go like this, we'll say what our new word is. Are you ready? Say melted. Change melt to twist. Twisted. Say twisted. Change twist to plant. Planted. Say planted. Change plant to lift. Lifted. Say lifted. Change lift to rent. Rented. Say rented. Change rent to melt. Melted. Great job changing the first syllable in a word to make a new word. Now for our next activity, we're going to say the first syllable in a word. I'm going to tell you the second syllable to add. When I go like this, we'll say what the word is. Are you ready? Say dirt. Add E. Dirty. Say spook. Add E. Spooky. Say cloud. Add E. Cloudy. Say snow. Add E. Snowy. Say rain. Add E. Rainy. Great job adding a second syllable to a word to make a two-syllable word. Now for our next activity, we are going to say a word. We're going to take away the second part. I'm going to go like this. You'll say the first syllable that we have left. Are you ready? Say window. Say it without O. Wind. Say yellow. Say it without O. Yell. Say pillow. Say it without O. Pill. Say jello. Say it without O. Gel. Great job taking away the second syllable in a word and saying the first syllable that we had left. For our last activity, I think Rosa's going to hop in and help us count words and sentences. I am going to say a sentence. You're going to repeat the sentence and put a finger in the air for each word in the sentence. Then we'll say how many words we counted. Are you ready? I am! Great, let's give it a try. Is it raining outside today? How many words did you hear in that sentence? 5. And no, it's nice and sunny. You're right, there were 5. And the sun did come out today. How awesome. Let's try another one. I like to listen to music. How many words were in that sentence? There were 6. You're right, there were 6. Let's count that one together. I like to listen to music. Good job. Well, that's all we have for today, everybody. Super job with sounds and words, and I can't wait for you to join us again. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.